Final video to fix Premiere Pro blank screen when pausing playback, because this issue makes editing confusing and interrupts your workflow. Are you playing a clip in Premiere Pro and the preview turns blank or black the moment you pause playback? This problem happens when GPU acceleration conflicts, preview cache gets corrupted, or playback settings break after updates. Sometimes outdated graphics drivers, wrong sequence settings, or media cache issues also cause this problem without warning. Many editors search YouTube or social media for fixes, but most solutions feel long, confusing, and hard to follow. That only wastes time and adds frustration. On Rexist, I focus on simple and proven fixes, and today I will share a secret easy trick that fixes the blank screen issue instantly. This trick works because it resets preview rendering, fixes GPU playback handling, and refreshes media cache instead of changing random settings. You do not need advanced editing skills, risky tweaks, or extra software. You just apply one smart method that works on most Premiere Pro versions. After this, playback pauses correctly, the preview stays visible, and editing feels smooth again. Many viewers on Rexist already fixed this issue using this exact trick. If you want a clear step-by-step tutorial that anyone can follow easily, comment yes below, and I will upload it to help you fix Premiere Pro blank screen when pausing playback for good.